The side hustle landscape in 2025 is brimming with opportunities to earn extra income, whether you're looking for financial independence or just want to save for your goals. With technology at the forefront, these side hustles offer flexibility, scalability, and profitability. Here are the top 5 you can start today. 1. AI-assisted freelancing. What it is, use AI tools to enhance your skills in graphic design, copywriting, or digital marketing. Why it's profitable. Businesses are investing heavily in fast, cost-effective solutions powered by AI. How to start. Learn to use tools like ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, or Hootsuite for social media management. Offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Earnings potential, $500, $3,000 a month depending on your niche. 2. E-commerce with print on demand. What it is, sell custom-designed merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags without holding inventory. Why it's profitable. Personalization and niche products are trending, and print on demand eliminates upfront costs. How to start. Use services like Printify or Printful integrated with Etsy or Shopify. Focus on a specific audience such as pet lovers or gamers. Earnings potential, $300, $2,500 a month depending on marketing efforts. 3. Online course creation. What it is? Turn your expertise into an online course and sell it to a global audience. Why it's profitable. E-learning continues to grow, with individuals seeking specialized skills in coding, fitness, or art. How to start. Use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Create a structured curriculum with videos and supporting materials. Earnings potential, $1,000, $5,000 a month depending on enrollment. 4. Content creation on social media. What it is, build a personal brand on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Why it's profitable. Content creators are earning more than ever by focusing on niche topics like fitness tech or personal finance. How to start. Choose a niche you're passionate about, produce high-quality content, and stay consistent. Use analytics to track growth and adapt your strategy. Earnings potential, $500 to $10,000 a month depending on reach and engagement. 5. Virtual tutoring or coaching. What it is, provide tutoring in academic subjects or coaching in areas like career development or fitness. Why it's profitable. Personalized guidance remains in high demand as students and professionals seek expert support. How to start. Advertise your services on platforms like Wisent, Reply, or CoachMe. Build credibility with reviews and testimonials. Earnings potential, $25 to $100 hour, with potential to scale by offering group sessions. 2025 is the perfect year to embrace the side hustle economy. Whether you're tech-savvy, creative, or an expert in your field, there's a profitable opportunity waiting for you. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your side hustle evolve into a lucrative income stream. Success is just a step away.